Hi, my name is Klaus from your inspector today. So we got assistant here today. There's one ding, scratches, color-coded scratches. Same as on a wing. This side is okay. The bumper had some previous corrections done. Same as here, some runs present and some dust marks in the paintwork. This section has been resprayed as well. On this side, rear bumper, boot not touched. Whole this side of the vehicle has been sprayed apart from the front wing. The paintwork, the repair quality is not good, as you can see. There are gaps, so the quarter panel had a damage, but not significant, but they didn't even, the panel beater didn't even move it out correctly. So it's a lot of filler used. There's already some scratches on it. The door is not sitting correctly, you know, not perfect, but not too bad. It's got paint leaks present, so it's a bit of paint build-ups as well on there. No, I'm sorry, this one was sprayed, but they didn't spray the whole of it, they blended it, so there is a bit of build-ups on it. Again, light scratches all the way around it, few on a bumper. Alloy wheels, all of them would need refurbing, apart from this one is the best one. The rest of them has a curb marks all over the place and some oxidations on inside. Doggy, please. We need a room for that feedback. There's still a bit of damage in the door shuts on a seal. Paint leaks. They sprayed at this section here. This trim plastic seal is not fitted back correctly. It's loose, and all the plastic clips are broken. Some ordinary bolt used to hold it in place. This door has been replaced. As you know, obviously this is a Cat S vehicle. Very average repair. Again, some runs in it, some dust marks, some imperfections in the paintwork visible. That is the vehicle. Don't have much to say. It did have loads of fault codes, but I cleared them off. Gonna go for the road test now, and we'll comment on faults afterwards. We're gonna plug it in as well and see if it's charging. It's got some again some scratches, but all those scratches I will consider acceptable, you know. It needs basically front left tyre as well. Coming back to interior, it's a 100,000 mile vehicle, so obviously you will see 100,000 mile feel on the leather seats, on the levers, on the interior, some marks, everything quite reasonable for 100,000 miles, I would say. I've seen much worse. So same as on the driver's seat, you can see age feel on it, wear feel. So but for 100,000 miles is acceptable. Same as on the steering wheel, and same level of wear out on a pad and some scratch there. So that is pretty much about the vehicle, and there is a chip, yeah. So basically we'll need a new windscreen at some point. So you start going across there. That's it. Rest of the driving issues and hybrid system issues I will report if there is any in a summary. Thanks for using us.